Hi Joa, it's finally our moment. I know today is going to be one of the best days of our lives, and I look forward to all of the days ahead. As we navigate this beautiful life together, this is just the beginning, and I cannot wait to be your wife.
Today, we say I do. But to me, that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side through good times and bad. I dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and especially ang imong mga makakilig nga smile. I promise to be your honest and faithful husband, not just today, but for the rest of my life. Today, surrounded by your loved ones, I chose you to be my wife, and I'm proud to be your husband, and to join my life with yours. I vow to support you, inspire you, and love you always.
How come nga ang duha ka kasing-kasing mahimong isa? And the answer is, it is because of love. Kaya ang tinuod nga nahigugma, kapalo magpabilin.
Joa, from the moment we met, I knew my life would never be the same. You walked into my world and turned into upside down, the best way possible. Today, standing here with you, I am overwhelmed with gratitude and joy, knowing that I get to spend the rest of my life with you. Nelly!
Watch your eyes be those dazzling heights too fast to climb.
Babaha ko ha. Anak ako ang pinakagwapa.
Sorry!
But I found heaven was lost with my heart beating, my soul
Walang pugikulbaan. Wala ko gigikuan. Chill lang. Excited ako! Happy anniversary! See you later! Labani diha.
touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Your strength, courage, and unwavering dedication inspire me every day. You serve our You serve our country with respect and integrity, and you serve our love with the same devotion. I remember you told me right after your deployment from Marawi City, the time you get home, and your mama gave you the tight and warm hug. And you proudly said to me, "Kadto pa ko nagakos ni mama o ni nato Jowa. First time ni nato kagakos." And so, from now on, I will always hug you every time you come home, or even for no reason.
From the heat that you feel again, everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. I'm sweeping up in the love again, and my soul I'm a angel forever. From the heat that you feel again, everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Sweep me up in your
You are my rock and my safe place and my greatest adventure. I choose you today, tomorrow, and every day after, without hesitation and without end. Know that my love for you is infinite and unwavering. I will stand by you, support you, and love you with all that I am, and with the love of the Lord, and for all the days of our lives. Happy 5th anniversary. I love you.
Spirit soaring, I'll touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.